Hello world, I'm Squeeva here with another tutorial under Kraken project, and in this tutorial I will be going over the basics for 2D graphics in Java. Now, let's get started. So we need to create a new constructor. This is going to be our default constructor that we're going to put all our data in for the GUI, so new. There we go. Now that we've done that, we need to extend a few things. We need to make this a subclass of some other classes, if you've seen my polymorphism and inheritance lectures. So let's go here. JFrame is the object in which we're going to use the GUI. That's going to be the GUI, the very basic primitive GUI. And we need to give it some parameters, some things to tell you what it is. So 600 by 600. We're going to have the title be, we're going to have, the title is what the window is going to be called. You know how sometimes you open up Windows and Windows machines and it has little text at the top. That's basically what this is. So, hello, Kraken. I realize that Kraken is misspelled, by the way. It's like that on purpose. Trust me. We're going to have it, are we going to have it resizable? Most definitely. There's some cases when you don't want it resizable. Excuse me. Where you don't want it resizable. And, like that. I'm losing my voice here. I'm losing my voice in my brain, dude. And we, of course, want it to be visible. So these are basic parameters. We forgot one key thing. Set default close operation to be exit on close. That basically says, so if you have something that, if you open up a window and you want it to close all in all, because if you close the window, it's of course going to close the window, but it's not going to end the task on the task manager. It's not going to end the process for the CPU. So you want to make it so it ends the process. So that ends the process. So now that we've done that, we can go over to our draw class, which is where we're going to actually put stuff in the GUI. So we need to create we need to extend. We need to create a constructor. There must be a constructor if you want to set the background color. I guess you could do it outside, but that's unorthodox, and you should do it inside the constructor. So we create that, and we need to extend something. JPanel. We need to extend JPanel. There we go. And we can just set the background to be there we go. Import color. There we go. Now we have a GUI, a window that has a blue background. But if we run it, you'll see that it doesn't have a blue background, and I'll show you why. So this is our GUI, and you can see it doesn't have a blue background, but when we close it out, you can see it ends the process. That's what we wanted. So to actually have it have a blue background, we can just do that. And we can do add D. There we go. Now we've added draw class to our JFrame. If we run, you'll see it has a blue background now. Whee! So that's always good. Now what we need to do is we need to figure out how to actually draw stuff onto our JFrame. So we can just do public void, and we're going to override a class in the JPanel, or a method in the JPanel class. But we're not going to completely override it. We're going to use the data inside of it to do our own things. And we're going to not completely override it, but sort of override it I'm gonna do that. There we go. Now we can draw stuff. So we can do G dot draw. We're gonna draw a rectangle. It's gonna be at 100 by 100. It's gonna be 400 by 400 by 400 wide. There we go. Now we have draw. Now he has been had draw rectangle. There we go. We have drawn a rectangle. All right. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and all of that cool stuff. And I will see you in the next lesson. Adios.